how to send all Snapchat streaks at once, or how to send a snap to everyone at once. Well, hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In order to send all Snapchat streaks or send all snaps at once to maintain your streak, what you can do is you can proceed to open up Snapchat. Then what you can do is you can head over to the chat section here. You'll find the all option here. Now you can see here various options, streaks options, and here. Now at the top you'll find all these headers. Tap towards the right, swipe towards the right, and you'll find the new icon here, and then you can see create a new shortcut option. The other option is you can proceed to take a quick snap, tap on send to, then you can see new plus icon here, tap on it and then tap on new shortcut, and now you can create a new shortcut. Add your friends to it and then add the emoji as the title at the top. So if I want this emoji, I can set it and then I can create it. Then all I gotta do is next time I take a snap, right? Once I've taken the snap, I can tap on send to, then this is the group that I created before. I can tap on it and then select, and it'll select all of my friends here that I've added to the group here, to the shortcut. However, if I haven't added anyone, they won't be selected, so you'll have to select them again. But what you can do is you can create a new shortcut, add the remaining friends, and then you can send it directly at once. Hope this video was helpful. To like and subscribe as well.